You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. Yes, this is an Aztec word, name I should say. It's the Aztec name for the god of rain. So this is a Nahuatl name. There are two different pronunciations, however, so you can choose which one to use. The Nahuatl pronunciation is as Tlaloc. Tlaloc, actually, we just stress a bit more on the first syllable. Tlaloc. Tlaloc. Now, the English pronunciation is generally as Tlaloc. Tlaloc, with a stress on the second syllable. So if you know anybody with this name, they're gonna use either of those, either Tlaloc or Tlaloc. Tlaloc. Sorry, the Nahuatl pronunciation is a bit tricky. Tlaloc. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.